A panoramic sunrise over mountains, birds flying across the sky. The world awakens as the first light kisses the earth. In these quiet moments, nature reveals its timeless beauty, a reminder of life's delicate balance and enduring resilience. Dense, sunlit forests, close-ups of leaves, moss-covered trees, and insects, streams trickling through the greenery. In the heart of the forest, life thrives in infinite forms. The rustling leaves whisper ancient secrets, while the rivers carve paths through untamed wilderness. Each branch, each creature, plays its part in an intricate web of life. Waves crashing against rocks, coral reefs teeming with marine life, dolphins leaping from the water. Beneath the ocean's surface lies a world of wonders, an endless blue cradling life from the tiniest plankton to majestic giants. Here, time seems to flow with the tides, echoing the rhythm of the planet itself. Sweeping dunes under a blazing sun, cacti in bloom, and a mirage in the distance. In the barren beauty of the desert, life endures against all odds. The shifting sands and vibrant sunsets tell a story of resilience and adaptation. Even in the harshest places, nature finds a way to flourish. Snow-capped peaks, climbers scaling heights, and clouds drifting through valleys. Majestic and eternal, mountains stand as guardians of the earth. They inspire awe and remind us of nature's sheer power and tranquility. Here, the air is pure, and the spirit soars. A time-lapse of stars filling the night sky, glowing fireflies in a meadow, and a sunrise transitioning to a bright day. As day turns to night and back again, nature's cycle continues, a symphony of color, sound, and life. It's a world worth cherishing, a reminder of our place within this vast and beautiful tapestry. Let us protect it, not only for today but for generations to come. Text overlay: protect, preserve, celebrate nature. Background music: gentle instrumental music crescendoing with each segment. This script can be adapted to include your specific preferences or additional elements. Let me know if you'd like to refine it.